Here's the Google Pixel Watch 2. I'm going to show you how to attach as well as detach the band. Okay, so first thing, let me just go ahead and put this one back on. So putting it back on is a lot easier than taking it off. Okay, so I got it on right now. So first thing is, if you want to take it off, this band here, you get that little button right there. On this band here on that side, you got the little button over here. Okay, so if I want to take this off, I'm going to press that button, and then I'm going to go ahead and slide this towards the button. Okay, so here's the button here. I'm going to press that down, and I'm going to slide down just like that. Now when I want to attach it, I'm simply going to go ahead, you see that little button right there? I'm going to put the lip over the button, covering the button. Cover the button, and then you kind of want to slide over to the right. Let me take it off again. Let me press that button, and I'm going to slide towards me, just like that. And then let me flip it over, and I'll do it this way for you. So there's the button again, and now I'm going to attach it. So I'm going to go ahead and see the button right there. I'm going to cover it just like that. And then when you cover it, I mean, just make sure everything is in where it's supposed to be, like that, to covering the button, and now just slide it down, and boom. Pretty simple.